Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Room.
Right, guys, and we are back, and we're here in this 2015 Dodge Durango Limited. It's the V6. So today we're going to be doing a quick video on replacing our license plate lights from the OEM ones to some aftermarket LED ones. It's going to be a quick, short video, but I thought I'd take you guys along for the ride to at least post some repair videos. So let's get to it. Okay, guys, so it's pretty simple. Move it up just a little bit. There's a tab here. We've already kind of messed with it, but there's a tab here that you're going to pull to the right, and then you're just going to bring it down. Now your license plate bracket will probably get in the way. For this one here on the left, I think we're able to, I just had it out actually. But I'm gonna need, now it's not gonna wanna come out. So as you can see, I pushed the license plate down just a little bit and it comes right out. So then all you're gonna do is have these two little wings that you're gonna pop out. And then you're gonna, hopefully you guys can see that. See if it'll focus. There we go. So once you get them off, you're able to, and I'm gonna need two hands for this, guys. Maybe. Yeah, hold on, stand by. Okay, so here is your connector, and here's our old one here. So it's just those two little wings that is setting. Okay, so here is our aftermarket one. I don't remember the brand, but if I could pull it up, I bought these so long ago and just never replaced it. If I can find it on Amazon, I'll put it in the link in the description below. So we want to get that on, make sure it's on all the way. Okay, so it's on all the way. So then all we're gonna do is just press it back in, being careful not to mess up the wiring. And then it just pops right into place. I would highly recommend just removing your license plate. It's not that big of a deal. I think we're gonna have to remove it on this side, but we'll see. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same with our other side. And like I said, we might have to remove our license plate bracket here. I think we can make it, but I'm definitely gonna need two hands. So we'll pull this out and bring you guys right back. Okay guys, so same thing. We were able to get it off without removing the bracket. You're gonna undo those little wings, remove your connector, pop your new one in, and you're good to go. And there you have it, guys. They work pretty great, actually. I'm actually really surprised. I should have showed you guys the old one, but the reason why we went to replace them was one of them was out, and it came as a pair, and we upgraded to some LEDs. So looks great, and overall easy fix, easy replacement. So now we're good to go.